After the stove's completely cooled down, there's a little shaker jet to clear the carbon off, especially at altitude and cold. This thing really carbonizes. So the shaker jet, what you're supposed to do is just turn it upside down and shake that thing. But I actually do this for a full minute and do this whole, make sure it's actually clicking there. Yeah, you hear that click? Alright, that's that little jet in there, or the little needle that bounces up and down. And I shake this for a good full minute, because the cleaner I keep it, the better the stove runs. I've been lazy and just shaking a tiny bit, and the next day the stove starts struggling. So this is a real key important thing to keep the stove burning properly, efficiently, and without carbon monoxide, because, well, I am cooking in a tent, even though you're not supposed to, but I'm not really interested in sitting outside in 0-degree air and having to walk back and forth every 2 minutes. So by doing this, just a little shaky, makes all the difference the next day.